So every time they will update the software and the necessary things regarding the Nadeeswara instrument. So for those who are possess the instrument already also will be benefited out of this class. And for those who wish to purchase one Nadeeswara is also will be more beneficial. Now I am welcoming Basara sir to taking care of this platform. Good evening, sir, and welcome.
Good evening, madam. Thank you. Good evening, one and all. My voice is audible. If yes, just text me in chat box. Yes, thank you. I think many of you received Nadeeswara and you may started taking pulse report. Today I will give you some important tips. So how to avoid some of the simple tricks to avoid the noisy signal, because the output what you are expecting, the 5 elements and 3 dosha variations in the body, and as well as single point solution, it's completely based on your input. So if your input is proper, then only you can expect some accurate results. To do that, so you need to follow some simple steps. I think all of you installed so the PPT is visible to you. After installation, when you open the device, you can find this. So this is the home page. So the Nadeeswara, the sound of your health. It's a completely based on the radial artery sound. Okay. So the radial artery, which we acquire through radial pulse, and it is fed it to your mobile and take the analysis of it, and it is giving the report. So if you want to create a new patient ID login, you can click on the plus button. So then it will open like this. So here you can give all the patient details, first name, last name, and as well as age, phone number. The email ID is optional, and after that you have to upload that. Once you upload, you can see so all the patient details, so along with the correlation and everything. So once you done this, then you have, if already patient is taken few more pulses before, you can see history. But if you created newly, then directly you can go for the to take the pulse. To take the pulse, so this is you need to click here. Once you click here, you can do that. If you want to edit the patient or delete the patient, you can click on the right hand topmost three buttons, three dots, and you can call the patient directly from here, and you can email the ID, this one. After that, so once we acquire the, if you want to delete, you can do that. So once you acquire, you click on this button. Once you click on this button, you will get this. So this is very important. The device found should be 1. If you found 0 means, please check the OTG option in your mobile. Switch on the OTG option. Some of the mobiles, they're automatically switching on the OTG. Some of the mobiles, you need to manually do that. So once you do that, so the device found ID you will get. Otherwise, you won't get anything. So the device, Nadeeswara device ID you will get along with the one device found. So once you do this, now your sensor is ready to take the data. Before that, manually you check where you are getting the maximum sensation. Got it? So after that, where you are feeling the maximum sensation in the radial artery, so there you can keep the Nadeeswara. So once you keep that, so it's very, very important that in which level you are taking a radial artery. So you should have, we are taking, there is a 3 levels of pulse: chi level, blood level, and organ level. Okay. So now we are taking the pulse in the blood level to know the energy variation of each organ, because your blood is only carrying the chi and as well as energy patterns. So here you should vary the sensor position vertically. So you should not keep your sensor anywhere in 45 degree or 60 degree. You should keep 90 degree to the radial artery as shown in the picture. After that, you should vary the pressure depending upon the signal which you are getting in the Nadeeswara application, like this. So you will get the pulsations like this, the radial pulsation. So depending upon that, you can check, scroll left or right. You can see the 20 minutes, this one. So that from, you can see your 0.5 seconds to up to 20 seconds, you can take this. So this is the radial artery pulse. Sometimes when you are unable to give a proper pressure, if you give too much pressure or if you take an pressure out, you will see the noise like this. So we made an algorithm in the Nadeeswara such a way that if you any variations are there, noise like this, so automatically Nadeeswara won't take that pulse. It will give you error by saying that retake the pulse. Make sure that all the pulsation amplitude should be maximum. Okay, so that is what you need to check here. Sometimes it's not all people are getting 5 amplitude or 4.5 amplitude. Few people having deficiency pulse, especially yang deficiency or indeficiency pulse. So those people will have lower pulse like this. Okay. So, but if the signal is too much lower, like the second one, your Nadeeswara, it won't take. But a lower pulse, like a deficiency pulse as shown in the picture, it will take. So after that, so if you remove the sensor in between, you will get the again straight line, that won't accept it. Or if you keep the sensor late, So the 20-second reading will start. You may keep the sensor after 5 seconds. So that also it won't take. So for that, you first keep the sensor, check a clear signal like this with better amplitude and better clarity. Once you get this type of signal, then you go for retake. When you press retake, the signal starts again from 0 to 20 seconds. So once you get 0 to 20 seconds, then you can go for analysis. Got it? First, the moment you get the variable pulse, keep check where you are getting amplitude as shown in the picture. At that moment, you go to retake. The moment you press the retake, the reading starts from 0 second till 20 second. You try to maintain same amplitude, same periodic signal. Some of the signal it will be too high. If some of the signal is too low, means you will lose the information from the radial artery. So then, the moment you get all 20 second, scroll left, scroll right, check all the 20-second signals are proper. Then you go for analysis. So before analysis, make sure that your signal is proper. If it is, because the moment you press analysis, it is count as a one report. So that's what before analysis, number of times you can take the retake. Okay, if your signal is not proper. Once signal is proper, you can go for analysis. So then it will generate the 5-element graph in the first page. So if you want to add any notes like patient history or food suggestions or lifestyle corrections or important symptoms, if you want to note down like that, all those things you can note down by clicking the press button. So if you want to download the report, you can click on the 3 dots in the right uppermost position and you can download the report. So as shown in picture, it will download as a PDF. It will ask, you can download that, or if you are not getting signal properly, so then you can go for a refresh so that it will get the proper data. So this it is added. So notes you can add, symptoms, treatment you given, any suggestions you given to the patient, all those things. So once you download the report, so report will be presented in the mobile, in the file manager, in the download folder. Okay. From there, if you want to forward to your patient, you can forward from your WhatsApp or a Telegram or email. Okay. So if you want to change password, you have to go for home button. In the home button, you can see that. So there is a settings. In the set, if you go settings, there is a change password will be there. So here you can give old password and new password, and you can check that. And you can also check the pulse count by going setting, and in that pulse count. So here you will get the how many pulses you used and how many pulses is there. And if you want to go to the previous reports, like someone taken the report 1 month back, just go to the home page, go to the patient list. So there, if you want to search the patient, you can search the patient with the phone number or patient name or through email ID. So automatically you go to the patient list. There you can go to the history. So even if it is, if that you can, they took some pulses, all the report along with the date, each and every pulses will be noted, and you can download or you can view any pulse from there. Clear? I think everyone is doing this. If you find any variations, let me know. And a few suggestions I got, because when people are taking retake, so one hand you are holding, another hand you are reading the sensor and all. So right now somebody has to retake this pulse. That is the one thing. And in the upcoming version, we are planning for voice stimulation, like that. After getting the proper signal, if you say retake, so it will start signal from the beginning. So that those many updated will be already, it is on the work. Maybe after a few months you receive that. So this is regarding how to avoid the errors in the pulse taking and how to use your app effectively. anybody is having doubts with respect to the pulse taking, please let me know. If you can raise your hand. Okay. Yes, Shirish, you can unmute.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Tell me.
सर पल्स रिगार्डिंग 2-3 पॉइंट्स थे.
Yeah.
उसमें जैसे पल्स कई बार वेरिएशन नहीं आता उसमें और सिंपल सी आती है, तो उसके लिए प्रेस कितना करना है ये थोड़ा बताइए. प्रेस कितना करना होता है?
Yeah, you have to give a pressure to get minimum signal like this, as shown in the picture.
नहीं, काफी बार ट्राई किया लेकिन वो वैसा ही आता पल्स.
If you are getting pulse like this, 10. Yes. If you are getting like this, he is having very weak pulse. You can't get report for him.
Yes, sir.
There will be one patient out of 10. For them, you cannot take the report.
फिर उसके लिए सर किस तरह से किया जाए?
For them, you can make one pepper on stomach 36.
Okay.
So after 10 minutes, you can read the report.
Okay. और सेकंड थिंग सर कि जैसे एक बार पॉइंट आ गया है, तो उस पॉइंट को हमने लगा दिया और उसके कितने समय बाद में दोबारा पल्स लेना चाहिए?
So that depends on patient to patient. So it may varies. For few people, you will take within 3-4 days. For few people, we are taking after even 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You have to decide that.
तो वो डिसाइड कैसे करेंगे सर? उसमें कोई चेंजिंग दिख नहीं रहा हो तो?
It depends on the type of disease you treat and the intensity of the patient suffering. Everything you have to consider there. So there, for example, you treated any gastritis. Okay, there is no change in that. You can take the report after 3-4 days.
सर जैसे कि मैंने मेरे मम्मी का किया था सर.
Okay.
उनको क्रिएटिनाइन का है. जैसे
Okay.
आपने भी वो ट्रीटमेंट दिया था और उसके बाद में मैंने इससे भी किया था.
Okay.
तो मैंने फर्स्ट टेस्ट किया था तब SP9 सेडेट आया था. Sedation.
If you give SP9 sedation, it is removing, if it is reducing the yang dampness and yang energy and raising the yang energy. For that, you have to wait at least minimum 3 weeks.
सर मैंने 1 महीने बाद दोबारा किया था फिर.
1 महीने means 1 month.
हाँ, 1 month.
Yes.
इसमें K7 आया टोन.
Yeah, so that will raise both yin and yang of the kidney. So you can do after 1 month. So like that, for creatinine and uric acid or chronic cases, you have to wait at least 2 weeks.
Okay. और उसके 3 सप्ताह बाद सर मैंने तीसरी बार चेक किया, UB64 सेडेशन आया था.
Maybe that person is having some kidney indeficiency. To raise that, it came. Okay, you can continue the Nadeeswara suggestions. Along with that, some food restrictions, reduce the protein intake.
तो सर इन 3 रिपोर्ट में अभी तक क्रिएटिन में कुछ डिफरेंस दिखा नहीं सर. टेस्ट करवाया तो उतना का उतना है.
Nah, it's very difficult. Treating creatinine, it's not a big deal. Even we sometimes struggle to give result 3 months, 6 months like that. Okay, it's very, even if you are finding 0.1, 0.3 reduction also, it's a great thing. So along with this input, that food intake also very, very important. They should not take any cold food, damp food, dairy foods, and protein intake. All should be minimized. And they should take some the food which cleanses kidney and liver, like every 2 days once you should give a pomegranate juice.
Okay, sir.
And sometimes some ginger, black tea, like that. So food which cleanses your kidney and liver, you have to give.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So carefully you observe the food pattern and everything. So definitely you will get good results. But uric acid and creatinine, it will take more than 3 months to 6 months. Blood sugar, BP and all, you can see the great changes within 1 month.
Okay. So sir, इसका फिर मैं every month इनको check करता रहूं सर?
Yeah, every 3 weeks you can check.
Okay, every 3 weeks.
Yes. And one more thing you have to check. Is there any you are doing for dialysis?
No, sir.
Okay, if it is not doing, it's fine.
No.
Okay, because if you do dialysis, your pulse will completely change. You cannot go with that.
No, sir. It's a
Okay.
2.5.
Okay. You can go with Nadeeswara suggestions and you can treat. But if you are, if any patient has under dialysis, okay, that time Nadeeswara report is completely changed. Okay. You cannot go with Nadeeswara because after dialysis completely they are removing the water from the body. With that, the indeficiency creates temporarily. If you take Nadeeswara that time, you will get wrong assumptions.
Okay.
So those people cannot follow this.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other questions? So, Shirish, you give a pomegranate juice weekly 2 times. That will make a great difference. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Sudha.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Sir, for diabetic people,
Hmm.
one time, how many days once they have to check, sir? It is
Minimum,
not
minimum 2 weeks to 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Up to their sugar level will reduce. Up to that.
Yeah. Because here, when you are treating diabetes patients, along with the Nadeeswara point, your food, low carbohydrate food, you have to follow. That is more important.
Okay.
So low carbohydrate food, like you have to give some foxtail millet. So that will help a great.
Okay, sir.
So and you can make Jave go wheat, which is available in Maharashtra and North India. So that have food, it will help them and avoid sweets, especially fruits.
Okay.
Because diabetes, it's outcome of dampness.
Dampness. Okay.
Okay, you have to reduce the food which creates the damp.
Okay, sir.
Then you can get good results.
Okay, sir.
Along with Nadeeswara.
Okay, sir. Sir, in the correspondence correspondence area, main correspondence area, some points are showing, no, sir? In that, we should give massage or we can put acupen stimulator. That also we can give.
Stimulation also good, best option. You can give simulation as well as you can give pressure from hand.
Okay, sir.
That you can tell to the patient. They can do their own.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Manoj. Dr. Manoj. You can unmute. Yes, Manoj.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Fine, fine.
Yes. Any questions from your side?
No, more advances. I'm asking.
More?
Any upgradation now?
Upgradation, we are working on auricular therapy and some report upgradation. So you can expect early next year, maybe Jan or Feb, like that.
What about these iPhones?
iPhones, right now, we don't have plan because in India, 90% are Android phones. So
for foreigners, so many people are asking regarding this.
many people are asking. Okay, we'll once we will finish the present Nadeeswara upgradation, we can think of iOS. Okay. Now mainly we are working report entirely your report pattern. Everything will change in the upcoming Nadeeswara version. We are changing from first page to last page. Okay. After that we can think of this one. Okay. iPhone. Yes, Selva Rani. Yes, Selva.
Yes, sir, sir, actually, many patients who have come to us, they are taking medications for either BP or diabetes. So, so when we are giving the treatment with the Nadeeswara, and how to like treat them, sir, how to guide them, like we have to give them medications along with that, or we have to reduce medication.
No.
Can you please guide that?
First few settings don't change in the medication. Hello.
Yes, sir.
For first few sittings, don't change any medication. After giving few sessions, okay, so 4 to 6 sessions, after giving guidelines of their lifestyle and food, then they can go for testing. So depending upon how many points they are reducing, if they are coming from 300 to 250, 250 to 200, depending upon their body response, slowly you can tape down the medicine. Because they are depending on the medicine, it's not the right way to completely stop it. Okay.
Okay, sir. So gradually, based on the reports, we have to decide it. That's what you mean to say.
Yes.
Right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. And once a device is on and it is showing this one device found, we have to click on the like there is a bar, right, which shows your
You have to click.
pulse.
Yes.
Click on the bar.
Yes, you have to click on. I will show you where it is. Yeah, here you can see this. There is a Nadeeswara. You have to click on the Nadeeswara ID. It is visible to you.
Okay. Oh,
There is.
yes, Nadeeswara ID is there. Yes, sir.
You have to click on the Nadeeswara ID.
Okay, sir. So once we click it, automatically it will go to that page, graph page, and it will start taking the readings immediately, right?
So immediately, once you click that, you will go to this page.
Yes, yes.
You will go to this page.
Okay.
Okay.
After this page, automatically, yeah.
The moment after this, if you keep a sensor on your radial artery, you'll get the signal like this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay, got it. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Sudha, any question?
Sir, yes, sir. Good evening, sir. One more
Yes.
question I have got. The
Yes.
last page of Nadeeswara report, it is
Huh.
giving some acupuncture point, no, sir.
Yes.
In that, immediately we can put needle, or in the follow-up session we can do, or on the
No.
same day we can do.
In the same day,
Ah.
you will get either red dot or a blue dot.
That is for seed.
Seed.
keeping seed,
Okay. If you are doing seed, that acupuncture is not required.
not required. Okay.
See, it's either you go with biol meridian or you go with body acupuncture point.
Oh, okay, sir.
Anyone is enough. If you are acupuncturist, you are doing needling, you can go for needle for 5 to 10 minutes, or else just if you are red dot, apply pepper on the biol meridian point. Only 10 to 12 minutes is enough.
Okay, sir. Not both.
Not both.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Bulbul.
नमस्ते सर।
Namaste.
सर ये हर वक्त 2.5 से जाएगा क्या जो ग्राफ है? 2.5 जो एम्पलीट्यूड है वहाँ यहाँ से जो
Okay, you are asking a low amplitude signal like this, 2.5.
Yes, starting will be from 2.5 every time.
Yeah, if it is 2.5, it will oddly it gives this one. You can try.
Sir,
So we made algorithm such a way that if it is 2 week signal, it won't take. If it is a minimum signal like this as shown in the picture, it will take.
sir, please top, show me the top picture.
Top picture. It's I shown, no? Check it out.
No,
Is
sir.
this-
First picture that is a high amplitude. You have shown.
It is high amplitude is this one, 4.55 you will get.
Yes, sir. It is from starting is from 2.5.
Yeah, it will take depending upon sensor variation.
And
So,
sometimes, yes, sir.
It is not compulsory from 0 or 2.5. So the on an average it should be equal. Look at this. It's on an average 4.5. It is on an average 5, but it is it is decreasing. From 4.5, it is coming to 3.5, 4 o'clock. This is wrong signal. So whatever signal you are taking, it should be like this. If it is 3.5 also, throughout 20 seconds, you should be 3.5.
Sir, sometimes in my report also, sometimes first one is 3.5, second one is some low from that, and third one is 3.5, like that. Is it okay?
Then you are not keeping sensor in the unique pressure, equal pressure.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
please tell about cardiac graph.
Yeah, cardiac graph means if you vary the pressure. Okay, so if you vary the pressure, you will get the cardiac variations with the 1 or 2 peaks. If you are getting 1 peak variation, it's fine. If you are getting 2 or 3 peak variations, means you are giving information not correct to the report. So that times you cannot rely on the phi element variation. Try to avoid variations in the sensor pressure so that your cardiac graph should be straight.
Sir, I take 100 and more than 100 pulse.
Look
But
at this
yes, sir.
cardiac graph. Even though it is varying up and down, it's a unique. Okay, it is acceptable. It is acceptable, but you should not go eye down. You should not go.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
In
even it
between,
need not to be straight line. Some variations like this, it's acceptable.
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Purnima.
I also had the same doubt about this deviation, because sometimes it comes, most of my cases, like it comes is more than, every time it is written on the bottom, more than one deviation, you have to repeat the graph again.
No, this type of deviation, nothing to worry. A deviation, nothing but too much of spikes.
Okay.
Okay, that you will get only when you vary the pressure.
Right, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Rekha.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
हाँ, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
हाँ, मेरा ना पल्स पे बराबर से नाड़ीस्वरा का नहीं सेट हो रहा है, तो बार-बार वो रीटेक करना पड़ रहा है.
See, that is what, if you make signals will be too much variations like this. If you are not maintaining uniformity, then it will tell retake.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, maintain equal pressure on the radial artery, then only it will give the report.
Okay. Pressure मतलब pressure से hold नहीं करना है ज़्यादा.
No. You should not put too much pressure or too light. You should give a medium pressure as shown in the picture. And you should get the signals like this. Then only all the signals are uniform, periodic. Then only it will give the report.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Luchi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. I hope you're also fine.
Yeah, doing
sir, good. Sir, in the report, there are thought patterns. Could you explain a bit about this?
Yeah, definitely. So I will come to, I will finish this taking report, how to take the right report. I'm just explaining you. Once everybody understood how to take the right report, then I'll come to the how to analyze the report from the first page to last page. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Nagesh.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೋತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ
ಪೇನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಮ್.
ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಪಾಪಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಏನು ಪೇನ್ ಏನೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಪೇನ್ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಸೀಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಸೀಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್.
Otherwise, everything is fine, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Thank you very much. Yes, Dayanan.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I have taken 2 reports.
Yes.
Myself and my wife.
Okay.
And the report shows that my message 25/8 date ko SP9 sedate.
Okay. What is the primary and secondary pulse? Are you getting the report? Have you downloaded? Okay, so I will explain the report, sir. Please cross check.
Hello.
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 Tell me, sir.
Sir, I have taken the report 25th 8th month May SP9 sedate.
Okay.
And 18/9 ko LIV 3 sedate.
Okay.
This report of my missus, and she is having glaucoma and varicose vein. I applied these 2 points.
Okay.
Then no results are coming. What mistake I doing? I don't know.
No, with 2 points or 3 points, you won't get any results with varicose veins. That is what I explained the yesterday's BAA class. In TM course conclusion class, I told. Okay. So varicose veins takes 6 months minimum to get better changes. Okay. You applied 1 point SP9, through that maybe their digestion will be better. Plus, they may felt some muscular betterment. But varicose veins is one of the disease where the muscles or the what we call blood vein muscles are so weak. Who is controlling the body blood muscles? It's a spleen. You given SP9, it takes few weeks to few months to replicate to changes in the blood veins or varicose veins. just take report 15 days once and keep do the points according to Nadeeswara. Slowly that strengthens our blood muscles and blood. Automatically you can see the good results. Okay. Thank you. So that's nice. I think all of you got how to check the right report. Any doubts here? No. So I will close this.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Dr. Sundarara for Gurgaon, sir.
Tell me, sir.
I just wanted to know whether the Nadeeswara makes some, changes if, patient has taken some thyroid medicine. Say if we go for empty stomach, whether it will make some difference, or at any time we can take the
only food changes the pulse. Thyroid medicine, it's a hormonal supplement. It won't make changes.
or sugar medicine, something like that.
No, no, no. It won't make much changes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. Thank you. Okay. So let me see the other reports. So Luchi madam is asking about thought patterns. Okay. Come back here. All of you are visible this PPT. Yes. PPT is visible. Text me if it is visible. Fine. So, what is the importance thought patterns? Why we given in Nadeeswara report? Is it required? Is the question. Okay. So let me see what is thought pattern, how it is influencing, and what we can, how best we can use this diagnosis to heal the patient. So first, so we given in the present version of Nadeeswara, so we given around 5 different types of thought patterns. So in the upgrade, in upcoming sessions, we are planning around 7 to 8 different thought patterns. So many people are telling it is matching to the patient and it is helping to guide them and all. Let's analyze this with respect to the TCM perspective. So we given one first thought pattern is a straight thought. So straight thought, it is a replication, it's a representation of your wind energy. So whenever there is a wind energy, so you will be something better in thinking and good in analysis. That normally happens in level 1, level 2. So if the same patient, the wind increases due to a deficiency of the blood or the deficiency of the nutrients, because wind itself is a deficiency state. Okay, when it is deficient, so automatically, so they will get giddiness and restless thoughts and continuous thinking or all those things. So that will create some anxiety because they're too much thinking about the tomorrow what happens, and that creates some uncertainty and continuous thoughts. So if the out of this 4 stage, if the patient is getting a level 1 or level 2, that is indicating that so they are good in the wind energy. If it is 3rd and 4th level, so that is indicating that they are not enough balancing the wind. So that is leading to this some anxiety and hallucination and continuous thoughts. So it is very important that each and every elements and energies which we treat is completely interdependent. Your thoughts controlling the organ imbalance is changing the thought pattern. If anybody is having a very dull lethargy, for them I will tell, do some new work, make some new friends, that bringing the wind energy in the body. So like that, so that is very, very important here. So wind energy is required for everybody to see the new things in our life. But it should not too high or it should not too low. Clear? Similarly, some are getting spiral thoughts. The spiral thoughts, it is indicating the balanced state of your earth element or spleen and stomach energy. When spleen and stomach are good enough, definitely they are good at thinking, they have very good memory, and they are good at consciousness and presence of mind, everything. So it's normally indicated in 1st and 2nd level of spiral thoughts. So when your earth element imbalances, if dampness accumulates in the body or it imbalances spleen and stomach, so that leads to the some worries and repeated thinking because of the stagnation in the body, because spleen is doing water metabolism. So when it is unable to do that, there is a stagnation of fluids, so that causes you a stagnation of your thoughts also. So that leads to worry and variation and in the thought patterns. So it's very, very important. If you should have good digestion system, means you should have free thoughts in the mind, because who are all having worrying a lot, their digestion is very weak. Avoid worry, then only your digestion will be better. So that they're worrying or not, many people they're in depression, many people they're stuck somewhere, but they don't know how they are, because no one is analyzing their thoughts and mind how they are, because there are so many instruments in the world to analyze you physically, blood test, scanning, this and that and all, but there is no instrument to analyze how you are thinking, how is your thought, is there any effect from that? That is more important. So this Nadeeswara is giving some highlight on the thought patterns. So if the thought patterns are within a limit, you can guide them. If it is any imbalance, you can treat them. So definitely this leads to the very good changes in their thought patterns. The once they change the thought patterns, automatically organ will heal faster. Or through acupuncture or some other modality, if you strengthen spleen and stomach, automatically their presence of mind and thinking will be good. It's vice versa. If thought is good, that will heal the organ. If organ is strong, that will makes better thinking. So similarly, one more thought, like the multi thoughts. I think many of you in the present is we will get this. So this is indicating there's a it's normally happens due to empty heat in the body. Means it happens due to in-heat or indeficiency. When indeficiency in the body, so the yang will rise up. They're unable to control their thoughts. They're unable to go to sleep. Even they sleep also, there is a lot of restlessness, and they will wake up in between. So all these things, it happens because of the multi thoughts. So sometimes multi thoughts are good because they are able to do multitasking. They're good at their work, all those things. Even all the companies, they want people to do multitasking and multi-talented. So that happens with the balanced kidney yin and yang. So when kidney yin and yang, it goes vary. So that leads to the imbalance here. Okay. For them, the first thing, rest is the most important thing. So if they are able to make rest and take better food, some work gap, so that leads to the control of the thoughts and relaxation to the body and mind. So another thought is very, very important. It's a knotted thought. So if it is a thought is the first and second level, it is indicating about the thought is with fire. Means the person is doing some things with passionately. So that's why if anybody having a knotted thought in third or fourth level, that is indicating that they are into the stress. They're doing something without willingly. So this leads to the many imbalances in the body, because stress is the root cause of many other diseases. So that will imbalance the entire metabolism of the body. So that's what. So knotted thought, when it comes first and second level, we appreciate the people because they are with fire. So that same elements, if imbalances, that creates the stress and tension. This is very important, and sometimes people will laugh at this because this is a not deep thought. So when the person is having first and second level of deep thought, it's good. They are fault finders. They're good at critics. So that is we are defining with a dryness element. But if the dryness increases too much in the body, that makes you suspicious mind. And they're trying to find the faults in everywhere. So we can guide them to come out of it. You can counsel them, or you can strengthen their lungs and large intestine. That makes you let go. When you make let go, there is no chances of finding faults and all. They are feel energetic. There is no boredom and all. Is it clear? Any input from your side?
Okay, sir. Thank you for the explanation, sir.
Yeah, you can use by changing thought, you can heal the organ, or by giving treatment to the strengthening the organ, you can balance the thoughts, vice versa. Got it?
Okay, very good, sir. Thank you.
So thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will explain about the 5 element and tridosha. Let's have 10 minutes break and come back. Okay. So welcome back. Yes, Suma.
Sir, I see on the report, there is this Vata Tridosha where you have Kapha, Vata and Pitta, and there is food suggestions for each.
Yes.
So if I see, I have a person that I checked and then his Pitta is 42.3%. So should I be like asking him to eat more like the Vata kind of, Vata which is deficient, should I be asking him to eat more of that food?
No, here we are concentrating on which is high, not deficient one.
So what is high should be reduced. That's all.
If your Vata is more, reduce the Vata related food.
Okay. In this case, the Pitta is more, so he has to reduce the Pitta related food. Am I right?
Yes,
Okay.
heat related food they should avoid.
Okay. Okay. And the other thing is I see the elimination, muscle momentum is 52%, assimilation, restlessness, and all this percentage. Is this any kind of a, how do I infer any information from this kind of percentage?
Yeah, it's not depends on percentage. You just go with the color. If it is in dark blue color, it's a deficient one. So all the things should be there in the green color.
Okay, okay. So in the mid range, somewhere in the mid range is normal. That is optimal.
Yes, if you look at the muscle momentum as I shown in the PPT, it's very clear that whenever your liver and lungs, which is responsible for the momentum, it's a Vata. So when they go imbalance, so that either they go to the blue or orange. Okay, so that is somewhat imbalance in the muscular movement. Either if it is in the blue means that creates the muscle stiffness. If it is in the yellow orange means that creates restlessness.
Okay, okay.
So somewhere in the middle. That should be.
I mean, I see most of them are like in the middle around 50 or 48 around that range, but restlessness is too high. It is like 69%.
That because most of the people they're having a deficient pulse, yin and yang deficient pulse.
Okay, okay. So that's some chronic.
Yeah, due to that only they feel restlessness.
Okay, okay. And but I see it for the thought patterns that you were talking about. I see the straight thoughts, spiral thoughts, but it doesn't say for this particular person, this is the thought process, but it just tells you in general what you can expect, right? It doesn't say for this report.
It will say very clear for this person you have this thought.
Does it say that anywhere?
Yeah, in the report. Okay, just a minute. I will open one report.
Because it says that it gives you definition for all the thought patterns, but it doesn't say for this particular person.
Just a minute. I will open one report. Report. Just be online. I will open one report. Just
sure.
Okay, so that you can get it out there shown. Okay. Look at this report, which I shared you now.
Hmm.
So here there's a 5 different thought patterns are there. Out of
Yes.
that, it is indicating one that a person is belongs to one thought pattern, which is spiral thought in 3rd level.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So that is marked in whatever color. So that is the one that you pick.
Yes.
That is the report particular.
Yeah, that person is belongs to this thought.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in upcoming report, we are removing all. We are keeping only this one only.
Okay, okay. I missed that part because I took a black and white printout, so I did not pay attention to that. Yeah.
You can see in the software itself when you download and when you're sending through WhatsApp, you can find you can open and you can see in the mobile itself.
Okay, okay. And if a person does a lot of meditation, does it mean that it is going to be in deep thoughts or something? Or the first one, the straight thoughts?
And definitely they will live in deep thought or straight thought, but in 1st and 2nd level, not in 3rd or 4th level.
Okay, okay.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, fine. So look at this report. It is clearly indicating that Earth and the second element is air. So whenever the second element is air, the air is indicating the chi, because the lung is responsible for producing the nutritive chi and pectoral chi. Okay, so that's what any organ along with the dryness, that is showing the chi deficiency. Earth means who? So earth is related to spleen and stomach. Definitely their spleen chi is deficient, so that creates some nutritional deficiency or some food digestive disturbances, and some symptoms which is related to elimination or some acidity, gastric kind of things, all those things. Okay, anything, if the primary element is fire and second element is air, that is indicating hot chi. Sometimes if the primary and secondary is too much difference, we can make it is a digestion system chi is deficient. Even air is also high and humidity is also high. That time primary and secondary sometimes interchanges. So depending upon patient symptoms, because both are almost equal, quite a difference is there, means you can interchange primary and secondary. But here you no need to interchange. The earth is too high along with the air. So wherever there is a air, there will be a chi deficiency and fluid deficiency. That the chi or fluid deficiency that makes the person suffer with the maybe empty heat related issues or some chi deficiency related issues. The function of the digestion system will be going low. Clear? What is the cold is primary and second one is air. That is making kidney chi deficiency. Okay, so like that. So wherever there is a air, that is indicating chi. If the primary is akash, means it is a liver. So liver chi stagnation, because for the liver there is no chi deficiency pattern. There will be a liver chi stagnation will be there. Are you getting that? The role of dryness as a secondary element. I will take some more report. Yes, Bulbul sent any report. I will take example. Is it clear for you? If you have any doubts, you can ask.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you explained just now the earth is more, and first one is earth and second one is dryness.
Yes.
Then in that one, then how the point is given for that it is liver 3. Then what food should follow by this patient for pattern?
For the pattern,
Yeah, food for food.
you're asking about the food.
Yeah, related to this.
For the present pattern, which has shown a spinach deficiency.
Yeah, air. This earth is more, and first one, second one is
Air.
Air.
That is earth means it's a spleen and stomach, and second one is air means it's a cheese deficient.
Okay. And the kidney is water is the last one.
Yeah, leave it. If it is anything lesser one, you leave. You have to concentrate on which is high.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Second one or first one?
First one is earth and second one is air.
Okay.
So that is indicating humidity and dryness. That means spleen chi deficient.
Spleen chi deficient.
Yeah, your digestion is weaker. So you have to give light food, warm food, and fresh cooked food and easy digestible foods. Avoid dairy, sweets, and non-veg for few days, so that your digestion becomes strengthened. Later, you can give normal food.
But that tongue is all broken like that. So many, it is breaking everywhere.
Yeah, when spleen chi deficiency is there, that leads to the indeficiency and yang deficiency. Where there is a spleen indeficiency or stomach indeficiency happens, the crack will create. Okay, so that time you can give even stomach 36 tonification also, that moistens the tongue. But food plays very important role.
Okay,
definitely they have some digestive disorders, like gastric kind of things and all.
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah, why? Because in the digestion system, dryness is there means fluids are less. When fluids are less means definitely that raises the heat that makes tongue crack.
Okay,
okay.
So,
yeah.
When we are reviewing this one, that time please make this food pattern also according to the patient.
No, in the upcoming version, just wait. I'm not giving any general food. Based on the pattern, I'm giving separate page for the food. There we are explaining in detail which food to take and which time you have to take.
Okay, sir. There is getting a lot of confusion.
Yeah. Don't worry. It is you think it's a first version of Nadeeswara. So in upcoming version, I'm dedicating half a page for the food, what to avoid and what to take, and as well as we are indicating the time. At what time you have to take the suggested food.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Hello, sir.
Hello, madam.
In the Nadeeswara, while taking the pulse of the same person itself, within 2 minutes itself, when we take the pulse is different, sir. The point showing is different. How is it so?
It varies, madam, because there is two things. The one, the pressure variation. Okay. And the second one, even the pulse varies also, they belongs to the same pattern. For example, if you've seen some indeficiency, okay, they may initially there may be a spleen indeficiency. In the next report, maybe it will show liver indeficiency. In the next report, it may show kidney indeficiency. So finally, that person is having indeficiency.
Okay. So which point shall we choose, sir?
See,
Anyone will be do?
you are a, I think you are a TM student, no?
Yeah.
Okay. For indeficiency, whether you give liver 3 sedation or stomach 42 sedation, K7 tonification, LU7 tonification, even H5 tonification, all are giving same result. Okay.
Yeah.
So through Nadeeswara, we are identifying whether the in is excess or deficient, or whether you are explaining in which organ is having indeficiency or yang deficiency.
Yeah.
There is the, see, if the person is having yang deficiency, after 5 minutes, you won't get indeficiency or in excess. You will get yang deficiency only. First time it will show spleen yang deficiency. Second time it may show kidney yang deficiency. But treating kidney and spleen yang deficiency, we are treating with K5 sedation and espinine sedation is same.
Okay.
Yielding same result. Okay. So
Okay.
that is happening, the preservation variation you are creating while taking the pulse.
Okay, sir.
But point which is suggesting, if you want to check the points, it is aiming same.
Okay, sir.
That's
Okay,
what,
thank you.
to treat the same pattern, we are giving different points. Okay. That is leading to the same aim.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
So thank you, Lalita madam. So I think we need one more day to explain the report. So maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, some more day, you can plan one more day so that the remaining sessions we will explain in detail. Okay.
Okay, so then we can wind up the session for the day, sir.
You can wind up today and we'll announce in the group when will be the next class on the Nadeeswara.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you all participants. Thank you, Basara sir. Thank you, Joshi sir. Thank you. Now you will get the recording maybe by tomorrow morning. And you can ask any doubt in the group, Joshi's Kerala group. Basara sir will be there to give your clarifications. Thank you all. Good night.